create an interact input action, set the trigger to pressed. Put that input action in the mapping context, add it under one of the mappings, and then set the interact to which key you'd like it to be. Create a blueprint interface called interact. Create an input character and an output boolean. Then you want to open up the character blueprint. Then in the character blueprint, you want to bring in the input action interact event. Create a new function called interacting. Bring in a line trace by channel. Set the start to be the world location. World location's target will be your character. I've added an arrow for convenience. And then for the end, plus the world location with the forward vector of the character times a number that you want to multiply the distance of the line by. Once you found a distance you're happy with, turn on debug for duration to see the line in your game and play test it. Changing this multiplication will change the distance of that line. Then from the out hit, you want to break hit result, promote hit actor to a variable, connect that up to the line trace, and you want to create a branch. Make a new boolean called is interacting. Under false for your hit actor, you want to turn off is interacting. Under true, bring in your blueprint interface, set the target as self, set the interactor as your player character, set is interacting to true. Then in your event graph, bring in that input action interact, drag in your function for interacting, create a delay of a very low number, and then set interacting to false after that delay. Once you have that set up, you want to go into the blueprint that you're interacting with. In this case, it's this button here. In this blueprint, you want to create a reference to your character. Then under event tick, you want to create a branch, create a custom event, activate the custom event. For the condition, promote the first person character here to a variable and then drag that in, drag off of it and get your hit actor, check that it's equal with self, drag off of your first person character, get the is interacting boolean that you made before, and you want to make sure that both of these are true. Create your custom event. This will be the code for whatever you want to do. In my case, I'm just checking if the door is unlocked. This will be relative to whatever you're trying to do with your interaction system. And there we have it. I still have my debug on through these lines. You can just turn that off from that visibility in the line trace. When I hit F, it's going to activate this door here. You don't have to play around with any of your character blueprint after this, just your actor blueprints that you're interacting with. If you enjoy this type of content, please leave a like, subscribe. I will be releasing a full video breaking down this entire system.